Tina Kunzrill. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a quilling sunflower. What you'll need is some scissors, some glue, some quilling paper. If you want, you can use some white paper and color over it, or you can use construction paper. I'm not sure that might work, but you can try it. To start off, you're going to take a piece of quilling paper or whatever paper you're using and roll it into a ball, like a circle, kind of like this. And you're going to keep on going that way to make it look like this. Now, to make it stay, you're going to take your glue and glue it. And that's done. And wrap it into a circle. Then you're going to take a color of any. I suggest yellow or gold since we're making a sunflower. And turn it into a circle too. To make it look like this. What you're going to do then is pinch the very bottom. Like that. And now I'm going to show you how to glue it, but you're going to need a lot, kind of to get this much. To glue it, you're going to just take all your pieces like this. Take your glue stick and glue the very bottom. I want everyone to tell me what your favorite flower is, and I can teach you guys how to make it out of quilling paper or any paper. There are a lot of ways to make quilling flowers, but there are a lot of hard ways, there are a lot of easy ways, and I'm teaching you one of the easy ways. Some of the hard ways are quicker, but it doesn't matter if it's quick or not. It matters if it works, and it's easy for you guys. And I want to wish everyone a very happy Memorial Day. Now it will look like this. Now you're going to take some green. I'm using a dark green. And cut it. You can cut it as long as you want. I am just going to cut it this big. And I'm going to take a different shade of green and wrap it into a small circle. You want it to be not that small and not too big. If you make your leaf really tight, you should use 2 paper. If you do it loose, then I suggest just one paper. Or maybe cut off a little bit. And if you're doing it like a tight and loose, you can use just one. And glue it right over here. Like that. Don't close your glue sticks yet, or whatever glue you're using. Now you're just gonna pinch the bottom like we did with our petals. And glue it onto our stem. Now, your leaf might fall, but that is okay. You're gonna glue it back on. And glue your leaf back on. And then carefully flip it over to make it look like this. And that's how you make a quilling sunflower. If you like sunflowers and quilling, please give this video a like and please subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching!